When we work with Excel, it is not always about complex functions and formulas, but at times it could be simple arithmetic calculations for which Excel may readily provide functions, but sometimes for the sake of simplicity, we are better off without them. Now let us consider a case of the scores of few university students. I have an extract of the list here of 3 students. So we prepare a table here. To begin with, we need student name. I recommend you to type with me so that you get a good hang of working with Excel. So we have the student name, and for subjects we have economics, statistics, and accounting. Now let me adjust the column width here. I'll select all the 4 columns and click on the border of any one of the columns, and the width of these columns are adjusted automatically as per the size of the content. Now first student we have is Jade Waters, then Sam Turner, and next we have Steffi Fernando. Now Jade scored 60 in economics, 50 in statistics, and 65 in accounting, while Sam scored 68 in economics, 60 in statistics, and 49 in accounting. Steffi scored 75 in economics, 70 in statistics, and 85 in accounting. Let me adjust the width for the name over here. Now I would like the heading to be in bold and make this entire thing look like a table. So we have here, I'll apply borders. I'll select all borders. Great. Now that looks like a proper table. This is only an extract of the entire list of students. Now, as per the university norms, a student is considered pass if he or she scores at least 50. So the passing score is 50. Maximum score for each subject is 100. So scoring 50 out of 100, that's the passing score. So let us perform a basic analysis and just try to find out how we can analyze this data. First thing, I would like to know how much did Jade Waters score overall. I want to know how much did Jade Waters score overall. So that means that is 60 and 50 and 65, all 3 together. So here I can type equal. I select 60 plus 50 plus 65. As simple as that. Well, we don't need any Excel functions for that. It's pretty simple, straightforward. All we do is link the cells. We could have manually entered the numbers here, but I recommend use an equal sign and just link to the cells with the right numbers, and you have them. Keep a close watch on the colors over here. The color reference over here indicates the selection color as well. For example, D3 is in red. So here the red cell amongst the 3 is D3. That's statistics, 50. So next, I would like to know whether did Sam Turner score more than Jade Waters in economics. Well, did Sam Turner score more than Jade Waters in economics? In economics, Sam Turner scored 68 and Jade Waters scored 60. Well, so the answer is yes. But how does Excel treat this? Okay, so if you want to compare 2 numbers, here we are comparing 68 to 60. So I put an equal sign. I select Sam Turner's score, which is 68. Is it greater than 60? Excel responds in the language of true and false. Excel never responds like yes or no, pass or fail, it always responds in the form of true and false. If it is greater than, Sam's score is greater than Jade's score, the answer is true. If Sam's score, for example, in case of accounting, it's 49 against Jade's score of 65. Is Sam's score in accounting greater than 65? Let's see. We have another question here. Did Sam Turner score more than Jade Waters in accounting? So what should be the answer? How will Excel respond to this? Excel will not say no. Excel will not say pass or fail. It will say either true or false. So I press the equal sign. Is Sam Turner's score greater than Jade Waters' score? It's false. That means no, Sam Turner's score is not more than that of Jade Waters in accounting. Now, one more thing you need to be very careful about. Let's say there is another subject over here as in philosophy. And Jade Turner scored around 65 in philosophy and Sam Turner also scored 65 in philosophy. Now, I ask you the same question. Now that's for philosophy. Did Sam Turner score more than Jade Waters in philosophy? Let me expand this column. So we have this border over here. This looks pretty odd. Let me select the entire table again and click on this for all borders. Alright, this looks better organized. And let me also add Steffi Fernando's score for philosophy, which is around 68. So did Sam Turner score more than Jade Waters in philosophy? Let's check that out. Say equal Sam Turner score greater than Jade Waters. Did they? Well, the answer is false. Why? Both are equal. Had I selected it as, is Sam Turner's score the same as Jade Waters? Or rather, I would say, did Sam Turner score the same as Jade Waters in philosophy? So comparing both of them, I would use a single equal sign between. Is F4 equal to F3? And I hit enter. Yes, it is true. So a better way to interpret this would have been, the question should have been, did Sam Turner score at least the same as Jade Waters? If that is the question, let me type it here. Did Sam Turner score at least as much as Jade Waters' score in philosophy? Now here, the comparison should be as equals Sam Turner at least as much as Jade Waters scored. That means greater or equal to Jade Waters score. Whenever you say at least, that means did Sam Turner score the same as Jade Waters or more than that? That is exactly what we are checking over here. Is it greater than or equal to? Mind you, this is the order in which you put the expression and not equal to or greater than. It's greater than or equal to F3. That's Jade Waters' score. And the answer is true. Why? Although it is not greater, but at least it is equal to. So greater than or equal to. Either of the cases, it meets and hence it gives you true.